I have been interacting back-to-back candidates with career gaps, and after talking to hundreds of candidates, I found that many job seekers with career gaps make common but critical mistakes that get them rejected before they even get the chance to prove themselves. I will expose 5 most common career gap mistakes in this video and show you how to fix them. Just like I have helped so many candidates land jobs despite having career gaps in their resumes. These mistakes are actually done by 90% of the candidates who have career gaps, and these mistakes actually costing their interviews. So stay tuned till the end to avoid them. Hello everyone, I'm Bhavya Sharma and I welcome you on my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more interview, career and jobs related videos. And if you need personalized help regarding career gaps, resume building, LinkedIn and Naukri optimization, interview preparation, then you can drop the comment below, or you can also connect with me on LinkedIn and send a DM to me. I have helped so many candidates land their job and I can help you too. So one by one, with real examples and case studies, let's learn how to avoid these common mistakes. So in first scenario, I have reviewed a candidate's resume where he had a multiple career gaps, like from 2018 to 2019, then 2021 to 22. And listing each gap separately made it look like he was constantly in and out for work, and employers immediately assumed instability. I advised him to restructure it by combining all the short gaps under a single career transition phase and highlighting productive activities he has done in that time, like freelancing, certification or skill building activities. And after restructuring his resume, the result was that he was started receiving interview calls which were freezed from quite a long time. So the first mistake is that mentioning each and every career gap separately in your resume, which this candidate has done and most of the candidates also do. So if this is the scenario with you, then you have to fix this in your resume with these 3 simple steps. Don't highlight each and every career gap separately in your resume. Number second, merge all short gaps under one header, like career transition phase and something like that. And number third, showcase relevant skills, courses, certification, freelance or part-time work to fill out those blanks. In second scenario, I met with a girl who had 2 years career gap and she was actively looking jobs and applying through LinkedIn. But when I reviewed her LinkedIn profile, I found that she mentioned over there currently not working and looking for opportunities. This creates a negative impression. Instead, I suggested her that she should change it to something value driven, like consultant, advisor, helping businesses build great teams, associate, and within a month, she started getting interview calls positively. So the second mistake is mentioning unemployed and looking for opportunities on LinkedIn. And if you fall under this scenario, then you have to fix it with these 3 simple steps. Number first, never write unemployed on your LinkedIn headline. Number second, stay focused on your skills and industry expertise. And number third, stay active by posting about industry trends, sharing your insights or commenting on relevant discussions. So in third scenario, the candidate was applying for digital marketer role, but after 3 years of career gap, but without updating his skill set. So I suggested him to take a short digital marketing certification and work on small freelance projects or an internship, whether paid or unpaid. And guess what? After consistently applying for 30 days, he got hired because he was now equipped with industry skill sets and practical work experience. So in this scenario, you can see the common mistake that maximum people with career gap does, and that is ignoring the skill gaps while applying for the jobs. But you can fix this with these 3 simple steps. Number first, identify all the missing skills required for your desired role. Number second, go for some short online courses to enhance those skill set. And number third, do small freelance or volunteer project or internship to stay updated with the job role and gain some practical exposure. In fourth scenario, candidate was doing back-to-back one mistake. Whenever she's been asked during the time of interview that why there is a career gap in your resume, she always used to say that I have taken this career gap for my self time. I was not doing much, but now I'm looking for job opportunities. This answer is so unclear and casual. Instead, I coached her to speak something like this with confidence whenever this question comes to you during an interview. That during this time, I have upskilled myself through online free certification in my field. I worked on independent projects and stayed updated with industry trends. Now I'm excited to bring the fresh perspective into my next role. This small shift in her wordings changed how the recruiter saw her now. So from fourth scenario, you can see that most of the candidates make this mistake by giving weak or confusing answers whenever they have been asked about their career gaps. But you can fix this with these three simple steps. First, prepare a strong and confident answer for why do you have a career gap. Second, focus on how you have stayed productive and continued learning. And third, show enthusiasm for getting back into the workforce. In fifth scenario, I counseled a candidate who was so focused on his career gap and he just forgot about his skills and previous experience. So I suggested him that instead of making your career gap the center of your job application, shift your focus that what you bring to the table. So I helped him to rewrite his resume with a strong summary highlighting his expertise, and I've also changed his perspective that whenever interview calls comes, focus on your skills and highlighting your expertise. And after giving few telephonic interviews, he gained the confidence back and started clearing interview calls. And you can fix this mistake with these three simple ways. By remembering yourself that your career gap is just a small part of your career journey, don't make it the main focus of your career journey. Number second, lead with your experience, skills and value to your employers. And number third, keep your confidence high and sell your strength and skills. So now that you know these 5 career gap mistakes, it's time now to fix them and start getting shortlisted again. Comment below which mistakes you have made and what you are doing to correct it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, your career gap doesn't define you, your skills and confidence do. All the best for your future interviews. See you in the next video.